Before I was here, before 1958, they used to build other kind of boats too. There were sailboats built over here. There were rowboats built over here. There were pleasure boats. There were fishing boats. There were freight boats and all kind of work boats. Oyster boats. Some boats for the Navy during the war. They built good boats, and this boatyard was known because of the rails. They used to hold bigger boats, over 100 foot. That was 1959. There was between painters, mechanics, carpenters, and like helpers and stuff like that. We were about 26 people working over here on the field, on the boats. And then we had there was a showroom out by the door. There was 3 people in the office. There was a stock room up there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5, 6 people working. And the owner. The owner used to work too, Eddie Wayne. Well, I learned by being around boats over there in Gibraltar before I came over here. And I learned from the government too, the British government. I worked for the British government for 15 years. I started as an apprentice, but we used to do boats and we used to go do everything, all kinds of things there. Until I was a carpenter. When I started to work for the government, I was 12 years old. But I worked for a couple of years with different people on the docks and fixing boats and stuff like that. The way they build wooden boats is piece by piece. The way they build a fiberglass boat is mold. They put fiberglass on it, like melting things on it, like a mold, and then they take it out and they put pieces together. About 30 years ago, they started to, slow down on them because they cost more money than a fiberglass boat. And they can build a fiberglass boat in a week. This takes a little bit longer. And people started to believe on fiberglass boats. A lot of the problem, people get rid of wooden boats is because a lot of the marinas don't want the wooden boats. Because they're afraid it's going to sink and the people are going to leave it there and all that. This is the problem with a lot of people, that they don't want to buy a wooden boat and they don't want to spend any money on it because I'll say 90% of the marinas, they don't want to take any wooden boats. Most of the boats, the wooden boats they build now, they're built in Maine and Virginia and Maryland, all those places. But over here, around here, not too many people are building them anymore.
Every time I needed something oddball, they'd say, go see Charlie. So I went and saw Charlie. He could always do whatever you needed done.
Charlie always took the time out to explain how to do a job. Unlimited knowledge of shipbuilding, boat building, repair work.